Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a font reel effect on CapCut PC for free. So add in your text, and I'm just going to type in eggs, color it black here, and then I'm gonna type like 50 ways or like 30 ways. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do 10 ways here. And then I'm not going to do it like all the way. I'm just going to do like till maybe like 2 seconds. Then I'm going to try to split it in like, for instance, 10 different texts. So try to be as accurate as you can. If you want to be like super accurate, you can like copy and paste this part first so you guys know when to like split it here, and then like move it, and then split it, then move it, and then split it. I think I'm just going to do it like 10 times maybe. So again, here, split it. If it's too long, you can control like how fast you want the scroll to be. The reel, sorry. Well, it's kind of the same thing, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, perfect. And then here I'm just going to delete the rest. Then you're just going to do this one by one. You're going to change the font of every text you just copied, and well, of every text you kind of like cut before. So here I'm just doing that. I don't like that. I can't even, you can barely see that. And then let's do, okay, that doesn't look great. Oh my gosh, I just did that. Okay, sure, why not? And then let's do that. Let's do that, why not? Okay, 3 more. I know this is tedious, there is another way, but you do need Pro for it, so I'm just showing you guys the free way to do this. Let's do confetti. I think for the like cursive one, I do have to kind of rechange the text because they look weird if they're all in like caps lock, so I'm gonna just do that first. Okay, perfect. And this is what it looks like at the end. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.